Here's how I use AI every day. One, it's my personal brainstorming partner. New ideas, faster decisions. Two, it drafts emails, strategies, even content outlines in half the time. And three, it helps me spot patterns in my business I would have missed. It's not replacing me, it's multiplying me. Yeah, using AI in everyday business, I use it for my personal and professional. Personally, something I need to learn or know, or even troubleshooting conversations with family members. It's great for that. It's almost like a therapist. For professionally, it's great with roadmaps. You can put all your plans together that you want to accomplish, and then you can ask it to take all of that and to build out a roadmap and give you the milestones or the weekly tasks that you need to accomplish to stay on track. And so this 90-day plan or yearly plan that has 6 different initiatives that you're trying to accomplish, you can have it put all that together for you. And then you just go through and you tweak it. It's not gonna get it perfect, right? It might get it 90, 95% there. Go in, you can even feed it back in with some notes to improve it. But it puts a plan together that if you execute that, you're gonna hit your goals. I use it in so many different ways. A lot of brainstorming, I use it as kind of a brainstorming partner to build out ideas, concepts, sales strategies, marketing ideas, new campaigns.